Hey guys, so I'm doing a squishy experiment for you guys today. I already uploaded this video, but I deleted it because I thought it wasn't that good and I wanted to redo it. So I'm going to be freezing 5 squishies again, and they're different. So the first squishy I'm going to be freezing is this croissant. It's like really soft and squishy. I'm chewing gum, so yeah, I'll try not to chew, but I have this cake smusher, the tag. It's like really dense. Has a pop up to it. But yeah, the next one is this mini blush bun. This one is really soft and squishy and slow rising. So, and then the next one, I'm kind of curious as what can happen, is this like squishy clam thing. And yeah, it's like really squishy and all, but it's like, what the heck? It's like really textured and it's like really squishy, and that's about it. And then I know what's gonna happen to this one, my Arita carrot. It's just gonna get really cold and really hard and just gonna be really frozen. So yeah. Whoops. So here's my squishies and I'm going upstairs. Kind of get a little house tour, but yeah. Squishies. So here, the squishies in the freezer. They fit. Try to make them fit. Oh my god, I forgot my sister put. Alright, so squishies in the freezer. See ya in 20 minutes. What the heck? It's not even closing. What the hell am I? Alright, so I'm gonna take out my squishies. So there they are, and I'll be back when I'm downstairs. Alright, so I'm back downstairs and I'm setting up my thing. So. Alright, so I think my camera's okay straight, but it's been like 30 seconds since I took them out of the thing, and they're going to cool down really quick, so yeah, so I'm going to start, no, I'm not going to start with this one. I'm going to start with this one, since this is my, so here is this one. It's like the croissant, and let's squish it. That just got really hard. I wish it got slow rising. It's just really cold and hard. So yeah, there's that one. Next one. I'm gonna go with this mini blush bun. Let's squish this. This is so hard. That is so hard. That's super duper hard. Alright, so yeah, there's that one. It's like hard on the back. So yeah, next one. I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, that actually got slow rising. Again? Really? I gotta hurry this video up. So yeah, there's that one, and then I have this cake. It's really hard, and it didn't really do anything. It just got really hard. And then the moment you've all been waiting for, this Arita carrot. That's super hard. That is so hard. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.